We need to stop that robot from reaching Tree Tog's tower. We'll use big world magic to blow all of that icy freeze right back at it. I'm going to need your help. It's time to do the blow, blow, blow spell. Are you ready? Tree Foo, go! Right, copy me. Into your spell pose. Okay. Spin your hands around. Then stop. Hold your hand out. Touch your shoulder. Then throw. Hold your other hand out. Touch your shoulder. Then throw. Swing up, down and jump. Great. Same moves again. Spin your hands. Stop. Hand, shoulder, throw. Hand, shoulder, throw. Swing up, down and jump. Now clap and say blow, blow, blow to send the magic to me. Blow, blow, blow. Now for our big world magic!